From the dawn of time, humans have instinctively used touch to heal and soothe. This instinct gave birth to what we now recognize as massage, a therapeutic technique that transcends mere relaxation. While many view massage as a luxury, its roots and benefits run far deeper. Massage increases blood circulation, ensuring vital nutrients reach our body's cells. This enhanced blood flow speeds up recovery from muscle injuries and reduces inflammation, providing relief from chronic pain. It's not just about the physical benefits, it also plays a significant role in reducing stress, anxiety, and even depression. Every stroke and need releases endorphins, our body's natural painkillers. These chemical warriors combat daily stressors, helping to elevate mood and improve sleep quality. Furthermore, in our fast-paced world, massage grants us a moment to pause, breathe, and reconnect with ourselves. Whether you seek pain relief, mental relaxation, or simply a momentary escape from the bustling world, massage offers a holistic approach to well-being. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest therapies are the most powerful.
Camping, the great escape from our digital world, a way to reconnect with nature. But it's not without its challenges, and safety should be at the forefront of every camper's mind. When it comes to cooking in the wilderness, the mesmerizing dance of campfire flames might tempt us, but it's wiser to use a camping stove. Not only does it give you better control over your cooking, but it's also much safer, minimizing the risk of an unintended wildfire. And don't even get me started on the importance of storing your food securely. It's not just about keeping it away from ants or smaller critters. Larger animals, especially bears, have a nose that can detect your evening's BBQ from miles away. Now, after a long day of adventures, when you're ready to turn in for the night, choosing the right spot for your tent is paramount. Look around. Does the area look like it might collect rainwater? Are there any signs of animal activity? Once you've picked the perfect spot, set up your tent and make sure it's well ventilated. Believe me, waking up in a damp tent isn't the best start to a day. Lastly, before you close your eyes and drift off, listening to the soothing sounds of nature, double-check that campfire. Even a few lingering embers can pose a risk. Ensure it's out completely. Remember, camping is about enjoying nature responsibly. Prioritize safety, and the beautiful outdoors will reward you with memories to cherish. Sleep tight, adventurer.
20 magic shelves that make your home more spacious. If you've seen 2, you win. If only we had known about these suction cup racks earlier, who would still have such cluttered countertops? Just move it to the wall, press it, and then rotate the knob clockwise to firmly attach it to the wall. Clean up the bottles and jars by the wash basin. Putting ginger, garlic, or seasonings in the kitchen is very convenient, as the bottom is ventilated. In the bathroom, placing bathing supplies won't accumulate water. The best part is, moving it doesn't leave sticky residue or damage the walls. Chapter 19. Many people don't know that a mop holder can be installed behind a bathroom door. It has 4 clips and requires no drilling. Items like mops, brooms, and scrub brushes can be stored on the wall, with built-in hooks for small items, making cleaning tools neatly organized and very convenient to access. I only knew about this kind of glass the privacy. Storing things this way was not only wasteful, but also hard to find things. This design is very useful for storing a large number of items. Underwear and straps are very convenient. The family's stockings and leggings can also be seen at a glance, and shoes can also be laid out clearly. The key can also be stacked, occupying space 17ths. I've recently learned a new trick, putting a plant rack like this over the faucet. Now after we're done with dishcloths and scouring pads, they all have their place. This way, you don't have to place it on the counter or the floor, and it's also less likely to accumulate water and breed bacteria. The water that stands out will be caught by this standing water dish. It won't dirty the countertop, and the texture of it really looks sturdy and good. Normal taps are usable, making it easy to clean the countertop and find small items to solve big problems. Don't waste these kinds of gaps in the bathroom. This storage cabinet is suitable for all sorts of narrow spaces at home. It's really handy. Cleaning supplies and tissues can all be stored, solving the household storage dilemma. It has charging ports on both sides, making it convenient even when using the toilet. Spring Support finally released this kind of fine plate. Just open this and snap it on. It's very fluffy. Blow dryers of all sizes can fit in it, and it can even rotate left and right. This way, you won't have to hold the dryer while blow drying your hair anymore. The bag can also store power cords with a suction cup, so you can move it around without leaving sticky marks. No wonder our neighbor's shoe cabinet is so tidy. They've been using this double-layer shoe rack. Previously, all the space above was wasted. This solution is really great. The design features double-layer stacking, allowing for adjustable height. Shoes of all sizes at home can be stored not only for a neat and good look, but also for saving space. At home, I never fold my pants. I use the pant rack my husband bought for me. It can store up to 6 pairs of pants at once without taking up space. The wardrobe is tidy, and it's especially convenient to find pants every day.